you doing? So I'm back once again, 3 times in a weekend. That's pretty impressive. So Sunday evening, hope you had a great Mother's Day. As you can see, I'm in an empty garage, so I've got a little surprise for you. Wow, there we go guys, look, both Minis back. So let's just have a look at Vini first. So Vini's been in storage and I've fitted a carbon fibre roof to it. It's looking pretty good in the sunshine here. Fits on really nicely. I've got a few little bits just to finish off and probably paint inside, black inside this roof gutter just to make it look a bit nicer. There we go, 2 very different cars. So I've got a question for you guys. So you can go and have a drive on your anywhere, most favourite driving road in the world. So let's say the Stelvio Pass in Italy. So you can take only one car. So we'll transport it over there. You can drive it along the Stelvio Pass for a couple of hours. Which one you're going to take? So we've got PIIIOOW on the left here, which is about as genuine as you can get. You can't get more Mini Cooper than PIIIOOW. Well, you probably can. And then we have Vini, the fake, the imposter, the sleeper in a way. So there's nothing really Mini Cooper without Vini at all, apart from it looks like one. And of course they both drive very differently. So Vini is a bit of a hooligan, quite a handful to drive at times, and PIIIOOW is just a joy. It's lovely to drive. So which one you're going to take? And just a bit more detail. So PIIIOOW is a 1275 A series, obviously converted by John Cooper garages as a 5-speed jackknight developments gearbox, all from the factory. That was all from the original Rover conversion, or John Cooper conversion, approved by Rover. So he bought the car like this. I think it's about 16.5 grand new, so very expensive for a Mini. It's got the later S-Works air filter inlet on it. Somehow, supposedly, that adds 5 brake horsepower, but the S-Works is 90 brake horsepower. The Cooper S Sport 5, which is what this is meant to be 85. So, in theory, it should be 90 brake horsepower with this snoot on there now, but I'm not convinced that would add 5 horsepower. But yeah. True to the original Mini, it's a proper A series engine. And if we move across to Vini, so Vini is vastly different under the bonnet. There's definitely nothing Austin Rover, British Leyland about that. So that's a Vauxhall C16 SE, 1.6 litre, 8 valve. Same as fitted in the old Vauxhall Nova SRIs or the Astra GLSI. It's a standard engine. It's about 105 brake horsepower than that. And then just on the inside, I think PIIIOOW wins it here. If I had to do a long drive, I would definitely rather do it in PIIIOOW. It's nice and quiet on the inside, comfy seats, comfy suspension, nice stereo in it. It's just very, very nice. Not saying Vini isn't, but PIIIOOW definitely, if you're going to do long distance, this is the car to do it in. And then Vini is very understated inside. It's pretty much just what you need, really. No real creature comforts in here. These are MG Rover, I think they're called Monaco seats, but they were out of an MG Rover ZS or ZR, I think. Back seats trimmed in the same colour. And then we've got an SPA design, microprocessor, digital rev counter, speedo in one.